Imagine a motorcycle that makes you feel both connected and capable the moment you sit on it. Something light enough to dance through city streets, but confident enough to follow you down back roads and gravel trails. Now imagine that same bike being efficient, fun, affordable, and easy to live with day after day. But before we go any further, there's a surprise waiting for you at the end of this video. Something about this motorcycle that most riders completely overlook, and that might just change how you see it forever. So make sure you watch until the end. This is Acer Rider, and today we're taking a deep ride into the 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175, a bike that truly blends practicality, playfulness, and adaptability. The 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 is not trying to compete in a horsepower war. It's not designed to be the fastest, the flashiest, or the most aggressive machine on the road. Instead, Yamaha has engineered this bike with a clear philosophy. Create a motorcycle that feels right in every situation. A bike that's easy for beginners but still rewarding for experienced riders. A bike that's comfortable on the street, yet confident on light trails. And a bike that's efficient without being dull. From the moment you first see the DT-2 175, it carries a presence that's both rugged and refined. It has adventure cues in its stance, a tall seat, upright ergonomics, and purposeful lines, but it doesn't feel overwhelming. At its core, this is a bike built for real riders with real roads, real commutes, and real adventures in mind. Climbing. Onto the DT-2 175. The first thing you notice is how natural the riding position feels. The seat height is friendly, making it easy for most riders to put both feet down at stops. That simple design choice immediately boosts confidence, especially for riders who might be newer to motorcycling or are returning after a long break. Hands fall naturally on the handlebars, and feet rest comfortably on the pegs, creating a posture that's relaxed yet alert, perfect for everyday rides or weekend escapes. At the heart of this motorcycle is its 175cc engine, tuned not for peak power but for usable, smooth performance that riders can actually enjoy in real-world conditions. The power delivery is linear and predictable, giving you manageable torque at lower speeds and a pleasant, relaxed performance as you open the throttle. This makes the DT-2 175 ideal for city streets, where tight turns, stop and go, traffic, and subtle throttle control matter most. It feels cooperative, not demanding, a big plus for riders who want confidence without complexity. On open roads and rolling terrain, the engine's mid-range performance lets you carry speed without feeling rushed. You don't need to chase, red lines, or shift constantly. The bike pulls steadily and expresses itself in a relaxed, engaging way. It's a reminder that motorcycles don't need massive displacement to be enjoyable. What matters is how well the engine's character matches the ride experience. The DT-2 175's lightweight nature is one of its most compelling attributes. A lighter bike means easier handling, less rider effort, and more responsiveness. This is especially noticeable at low speeds where weight plays a huge role in confidence. Parking maneuvers, tight turns, and slow speed navigation feel effortless, like the bike becomes an extension of your movements rather than something you have to manage. Handling on the 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 strikes a beautiful balance between stability and agility. The chassis feels composed in a straight line while remaining nimble in corners. Lean-in is smooth and predictable, and the bike carries a gentle composure whether you're cruising through urban streets or exploring twisty back roads. The suspension absorbs minor imperfections without harsh feedback, smoothing out everyday bumps while still keeping the bike connected to the ground. One of the real strengths of this bike is how it feels when the pavement ends. While the DT-2 175 is not a hardcore off-road machine, it comfortably handles light gravel, dirt paths, and uneven surfaces with confidence. The upright ergonomics give the rider authority and visibility, while the suspension travel helps maintain control when the terrain starts to get interesting. It's that versatility that makes this model truly special, no longer locked into the city or the highway alone. Let's talk about comfort, because comfort isn't just about plush seats or padding. On the DT-2 175, comfort is about balance. The seat is supportive yet forgiving, allowing for extended rides without fatigue. The upright posture naturally distributes weight evenly, reducing pressure on wrists and shoulders. This gentle ergonomics approach makes longer rides feel less like chores and more like experiences worth savoring. Another standout quality is fuel efficiency, something riders consistently appreciate, especially those who use their bike every day. The DT-2 175 is engineered to sip rather than gulp fuel. That means fewer stops at the pump, lower running costs, and more smiles per mile. For college students, city commuters, or weekend explorers, this is not just practical, it's rewarding. You get more ride time without worrying how much it's costing you. Maintenance is another place where the Yamaha DT-2 175 shines. Yamaha's reputation for durability and engineering excellence means this bike is built to last. Simple, proven components make it easy to service and maintain, and parts availability around the world remains strong. That kind of reliability is especially important for entry-level riders and anyone who wants a bike that doesn't need constant attention. Technology on the 2026 DT-2 175 feels purposeful, not distracting. The instrument display is clear and concise, providing essential information, speed, fuel level, and trip data, without overwhelming the rider. Controls are intuitive, so you focus on riding rather than navigating menus or settings. This rider-centric approach supports the bike's philosophy of simplicity and real-world usability. Braking performance on the DT-2 175 is smooth and reassuring. The brakes deliver steady stopping power without a harsh bite or unpredictable behavior. Whether you're slowing for traffic, adjusting approach on a corner, or coming to a stop on gravel, the brakes feel composed and dependable. For riders of all levels, that predictability is priceless. Over time, this motorcycle grows alongside you. It's more than transportation. It becomes part of your daily rhythm. Short neighborhood rides turn into longer journeys. Errands become chances to enjoy the ride. The more you spend time with the DT-2 175, the more you realize it's not just a bike. It's a tool for exploring life without pressure. And now, the surprise we promised at the beginning of this video. One of the most overlooked yet transformative features of the 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 is its progressive rider assist, calibration, and intelligent synergy between throttle, mapping, frame response, and ride feel that subtly adjusts how the bike behaves based on rider input. What this means in real life is this: if you ride confidently, the system responds with smoother power and stability. If you encounter a rough patch or tighten the pace, the bike instinctively feels more composed and supportive. It doesn't take control away from you, it supports you in real time, making the bike feel almost alive under your command. Most riders don't notice this at first because it's so naturally intuitive. But once you feel it, you realize how remarkable it truly is, especially in a bike at this price point and displacement. That blend of thoughtful engineering and rider support is what elevates the Yamaha DT-2 175 above the ordinary dot. So if you're looking for a motorcycle that's agile yet stable, fun yet practical, efficient yet adventurous, and a bike that grows with you over time, the 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 deserves your attention. This is Acer Rider. Ride smart, ride curious, and keep chasing the roads less traveled.